In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to merge columns in Excel without losing data. Let's begin. So I'm going to use the first name and last name columns, and if we try to merge it, then some data is going to be lost, such as the last name or the first name, and so on. So we're going to create another table, and we're going to call it first and last. Then all you need to do is head over to the cell in which you're going to enter in the function, then type in the equals to sign. Then type in CONC, then choose the second option which says concatenate. Once you selected it, head over back to the columns in which you want to merge, then choose the first name, then add in a comma, then you're going to enter in the quotation mark, then space, add in another quotation mark, then enter in a comma, and choose the second column where the other name is, simply click on it, and hit enter. And what you notice is that it's going to combine the two names, Dulce and April. And if you want to quickly do it all for both of these columns, simply head over to the name where you entered in the function, go to the corner of that cell, and you'll see that your cursor is going to turn to a plus. Simply drag it all the way to the end of the table, and it's going to do it for you. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.